first wanted to talk about just like basically what the different blending modes do, because there's a whole bunch of them. And it's difficult to make, sense of them. Now, if you are the kind of person that you want to actually understand the math behind it, you can actually look this up in Photoshop Help, and it will actually tell you in great detail what is happening in the programming when you use blending modes. But I'm going to try to simplify it for you guys. And the simplify is, I never use dissolve, find it completely useless. The first group that starts with darken, okay, that is the darkening group. So darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color are all going to darken your image in some fashion or another. The second group, very easily, the lightning group. It starts with lighten, and then we have screen, color dodge, linear dodge, lighter color. The next group, it's really difficult to tell by any of the names of the blending modes in the group because it doesn't say contrast anywhere in there. But this group is a contrast group. Each of these blending modes will increase the contrast of the image. Multiply, screen, and soft light. Those are the three blending modes that I find most useful. And then we have a special effects group here that can be kind of fun. And one of the blending modes that I've used somewhat frequently, although not so much anymore, is the blending mode difference. And the reason why I use the blending mode difference is because it would show me if students were cheating on their homework. Difference basically, if you put two images on top of each other and set the blending mode for the top image to difference, the entire screen will go completely black. That means that they are pixel for pixel the exact same image. And when I was using a textbook for a class, I could tell if like one student was sharing homework with another student because it was mathematically impossible for the students to actually turn in the exact same file. And if I looked at two files and went, wow, they look really, really similar, like really similar. I could take one image, drop it on top of the other, set the blending mode to difference, and if it went completely black, there was no differences, then I would know those students had actually shared files with one another. And then we have a color blending mode group as well. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do here in addition to that is I'm gonna have Nicole open up Photoshop, and there's an